So they use the size and the shape of the object in order to identify them. So if you crush the can, it might not realise what it is, and it might put it in the non-recycling pile.
I don't think a lot of people know that.
We're like an information service.
It really annoys me when recycling thing says not currently recyclable, as though it's like we wish it was, but the science hasn't kept up.
Too much
It's
for it.
it's not our fault.
But also the thing is, all of the recycling facilities vary throughout the country. So you do actually have to check the old borough, the one where we are currently recording. Had we crushed them, we couldn't recycle them. It just really depends on what the item is. So, for example, I have here paper. This is a receipt for the cans that we got. So, which bin should these go in?
I mean, I recycle
Cardboard. The shiny paper doesn't go in, and magazines that doesn't go in.
Why?
Paper, because it's got the coating.
Yeah, about half of all receipts are non-recyclable.
But that's bonkers. Like, that's a responsibility
I
of.
know this though as well.
Yeah, but I think there should be like, these are the 25 things we recycle, and these are the things we don't recycle. It's this, and if things like half one thing and half the other, and I don't know. It's not that I want to give up, but I just feel like they're making it very difficult.
It is very complicated. These are printed on thermal paper. It's the stuff you used to get in the early fax machines. So it's coated in a kind of chemical, and they cannot be recycled because you will release the chemical into the atmosphere. It's actually sort of weird stuff. So it works by the printing on it turns black when it's exposed to heat. That's the way it works. So it only heats up the parts that are written on. If you take
Found it. You haven't asked if it's going anywhere nice and it's all this.
No, that's I should do. Sorry. There you can see that it goes completely black. It's the chemicals that are doing that. So don't recycle those.
But if you are struggling with recycling, you're not sure, put it in your neighbours, let them sort.
Time for the last rummage around the bottom of the bag for the sniff of bin juice that we call general ignorance. Fingers on buzzers, please. Name the last commercial flight to fly faster than the speed of sound.
Is it Concorde?
So officially, Concorde is the only supersonic commercial service that ever existed, but several flights have since then flown faster than the speed of sound. On average, a flight from New York to London takes 6 hours. It's 3,500 nautical miles. But you get this jet stream that pushes you along. So under normal conditions, the speed of sound is 760 miles per hour, but it doesn't cause a sonic boom because...
Couldn't afford it.
No, relative to the air that you are moving in, you are travelling under the speed of sound. But if you're on a plane that's being pushed by the jet stream, you are travelling, according to your speed across the ground, faster than the speed of sound. It's rather like a man on a train running. So the man on the train appears to the rest of us to maybe be doing 100 miles an hour, but in fact he's just running at a perfectly normal speed. Alan, you've been on the Concorde, haven't you?
I have been on the Concorde.
You look a bit like a Concorde.
Do you?
What was it like?